morning, chickens. Time to wake up. I wonder why it's going so fast. Hi, Zeze. Hey, Hippo. I see you're eating breakfast, the first meal of the day. Look, the chicken is back. An egg. A chick will hatch from it. Yes, a chicken lays an egg, and then a chick hatches out of it. And where did that chicken come from? From an egg. And where did that egg come from? From a chicken. Ah, I see. What comes first? The chicken or the egg? Hippo, do you know what comes first? Yes, Hippo, breakfast comes first. Then lunch. Then dinner, that's right. And we know that number 1 comes before 2. And we know that number 2 comes before 3. 1, 2, 3. We also know the letter A comes before... No, Zeze. A comes before the letter B in the alphabet. That's right, Hippo. B is for butterfly. And B comes before the letter. No, Zeze. C comes after B. C is for candy. You do know that Z comes much, much later. Okay, follow the butterfly. It will show you all the letters of the alphabet. And where you can find Z for Zeze. Okay, Zeze, did you find where the letter Z comes? That is a lovely big Z, but it is still the last letter of the alphabet. Zeze, we can't change what comes first. The letter Z comes last, while the letter A always comes first. But Z is the first letter of your name. We learnt that breakfast is the first meal of the day. Then lunch. Then dinner. That's right. We also learnt that first comes number 1, and then the number 2. And after number 2 comes 3. It's hatching! But what comes first? The chicken or the egg?